The GT function block. In this lesson, we will be discussing the GT function block. This is also referred to as the greater than function block. The student is expected to learn how the GT function block works. The logic flow is from left to right, which will start with the input, the logic solve, and then the output. Looking at the function block narrative, output is a logic true if in01 value is greater than in02 value. Now, we go live with our PLC and simulate the inputs, and we observe the output and confirm with the function block narrative. We simulate in01 and in02 values and observe the result. To recap, output is a logic true if in01 value is greater than in02 value.